house and fall asleep.
You want to come to my house and fall asleep?
Uh-huh.
Whoa! But would you fall asleep? It's not dark, so I doubt you'd fall asleep.
I'll fall asleep if I want to.
You'll fall asleep if you want to.
And with Grandpa.
You'll fall asleep with Grandpa.
Uh-huh.
Do you snore?
Yeah, I do like this.
Do you snore?
Like this.
I can't have that. How can I sleep if you snore?
Then you can close your ears.
Really? Well, maybe I'd have to plug your nose.
Ask Grandpa if he snores.
Do you snore? Let me see.
I don't.
Let me see.
See, he doesn't snore.
Tag?
What?
Ask Grandma if she snores.
Do you snore?
Yep, I do.
Let me see.
Except Grandma's not a normal snorer.
Yes, he is.
Watch where you're stepping,
No.
Tag.
Grandma's not a normal snorer. Cut it out.
You want to demonstrate how I snore?